there's a question here. Let me answer this question. Please name the website for kids. I think it was DK, let's see, dkfindout.com. Let me type it out here. dkfindout.com. That's the one that I explored for kids. All right. So now I'm going to liveworksheets.com. So we're learning something new. First of all, you have to join this website as a teacher. You have teacher access and you have student access. So I'm signed in already. You just need to go to liveworksheets.com. I'm going to copy this and put it also in the chat box so you can take note of that also. This is where I am, liveworksheets.com. All right. So I'm here now and I'm signed in as a teacher. So my worksheets, if I've created ones, will be here, my students, my workbooks, all of that. All right. So let's see if I can use this. So I want to make an interactive worksheet. I'll click on this. And it gives me two options. I can either use a worksheet that already exists, or I can create my own. And I found it quite interesting that you can find Yoruba worksheets here. I found this out through a teacher who was a Yoruba teacher. He was using it, and you can see Yoruba worksheets. Okay, so let's look at one simple one. I'm going to click on it, and let's see if you can see it clearly. Okay, so this is a school, possibly in Nigeria, and there's a worksheet already, which you can give to your learners. Okay, so if you create a worksheet, you have a choice to either share it with everybody on this website or to keep it private. Now, if I want to add this to my workbooks, if I click on this, it will save it here where I can access it, my workbooks. Okay, download the file PDF. If I want to download this, I can download it. Click on this, it will download. Embed into my blog. Remember, we learned that we can open a blog. I will send you a video on, I'll put a few tools in the Google Classroom to know how to set up a blog, or how to do insert learn, how to open a YouTube channel, and a few other tools like that, because we can't cover all of this in this short period. Add to my Google Classroom. Let's click on this and see what happens. Add to my Google Classroom. It's taking me to a different page, so I have to share that page so you can see how to add to your Google Classroom. Okay, so this is what happened. Share to Classroom. And if I choose my classroom, let me add this one, developing e-learning. Choose action, create assignment, ask questions, create assignment, go. Okay, so you can see how easy it is. Demo task from liveworksheets.com. Okay, so there it is already. I'm not putting a topic, I'm not putting a due date, I'm just going to assign it. All right, it's assigned. It's assigned it. It's giving me a chance to view the assignment. It's inside my Google Classroom. Okay, let's look for it. It should be in my classwork. And here it is. So here it is. So if I click on it, let's see what happens. It will take us back. Sorry, I wasn't sharing my screen. I don't know what happened. When I clicked on it, it took me back to this page. Okay, so the learner can access it here, and the instruction could be either do it here or download it or not. Okay, so to make things a little easier and faster for us, I think I have a video that I created earlier on, that I searched for. I'm just going to play this video. I'll share my screen, and then you can see how easy it is to use this website. it's faster for me to play it on video. And I'm going to share that video right now so we can just watch it instead of wasting too much time on it. Okay, so here we are. This is how to create live worksheets. So it's going to play now. Just watch. So you click on Make Interactive Worksheets. And then click here to open Live Worksheet Maker. If you have a worksheet already in your computer, select it. That's one style. Upload. Click on Upload. And the worksheet opens inside liveworksheets.com. So watch how to do this. The tools are there. They're at the top. You can see at the top left-hand side are tools that you use. So you can use your cursor and create boxes. So these are just ordinary worksheets that came from your computer or you got from online. You want them to be electronic. So your students don't need to type it out, to print it out. They need to be able to do it online. Once you just create the boxes, your students, once saved, your students can use it. So preview, you can see the worksheets are now live. You can type into those boxes. Your students can type into it. So you save after that. And yes, I want to share it or keep it private. If you want it to be available to other teachers, you choose yes. But if you want to keep it saved for yourself only, you save it and you put the title of the worksheet. This is so you can find it easily. The class level, the age level, description, and you save. And the worksheet is inside your profile on Worksheet Live. Okay, you can share this link with your students and they will get access to it. Or you can add your students, add to your students' workbooks. Okay, so that is just a simple one. And we could go on. It will show you other types of worksheets. So this is another worksheet that has been made live. So we're going to see how it's been made live in a moment. It's very simple. You use your cursor, highlight the different options, and you're going to make them live by using just simple text. Select -no, -yes. The one that is the correct one is -yes. Select -no, -no. So here is another one. You can do, this is an ordinary worksheet that you uploaded. You want to make it live. Okay, so you use the pencil, and this is how your student will use it. But how can this be created? You're going to see how it's going to be created now. It's very simple. So to make it, you just click on the text, and then you type join -1. It's matching. So you join, and then you put join -1. You're matching the two. So once this is done and it's saved, your child can be in that worksheet live or live worksheets and just draw lines and it will join automatically if they get it right. Okay, so that's very simple. Select -1, join -1. And there are a few other options. Now, this is a matching activity. You can see it's showing us what to do here. So this is a matching activity you can create. Assuming you have a worksheet, how do you get it to work? So just watch and you will see how you can get it to work. So drag, #1. So you just match the color to the one you want to drag it to. Drag and drop. So drag #1 matches drop #1. So once you save it, it becomes a live worksheet. And your students can do this online. So they don't need to print their worksheets anymore. So this is a drop-down selection toolbox. Okay, so click on it to select the correct option. This is an ordinary worksheet that you created or you picked up from the internet and you're going to adapt by drawing a box to it and put in choose hyphen, it's 6:30, choose whatever hyphen, it's so and so time. Okay, just look at it. So there are two choices. Okay, you've put two choices separated by a hyphen so that it opens into two choices. This one is for a listening activity. You can make your worksheets live by adding sound. Okay, we don't really have time, so I'm going to stop sharing this so we can move